Have you thought about replacing those old windows in your home, but you're just not really sure where to start, and so you kind of keep pushing that off? Well, if so, you might want to listen to this. My name's Ken Bailey. I'm with Trinity Roofing and Construction. We help homeowners throughout all of North Texas to update their windows with great quality products from Burris and Pella. Our installation teams are phenomenal, and our project managers will work with you so that we can not necessarily just do a one-for-one exact type of replacement, but to let you know about some of the options you may have to really change up the look and appearance of your home. I'll tell you, the view can change dramatically from inside when you update your windows, not to mention the tremendous potential energy savings and just overall comfort. So if you thought about windows, but just weren't really sure where you wanted to start in that process, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to do a complimentary inspection and walk around with you. We'll help you to understand all of your options, and we can help you to fit this within your budget through a number of great financing options that we do have. So feel free to give us a call. Here at Trinity Roofing and Construction, we'd be happy to help you to update your home, get those energy savings, and improve your view as you're looking out your back window. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.